13 individuals from different backgrounds across the world are about to trade in one of the most difficult bear market conditions in years. With inflation soaring to levels not seen in 40 years.
13%
the highest inflation in 41
recession
years.
in Q4.
Can these beginners survive the markets?
We are down over $5,000.
This is the biggest challenge taken by Samuel Leach and his team.
You need to trade, you're here to trade, you're not here to sit on your fucking hands.
In this high-stakes series, he has only 4 weeks to turn these contestants into profitable traders with $600,000 on the line.
There will be zero tolerance tomorrow on anybody that tells me that they can't tell the difference between red or green.
Tomorrow will be a green day.
Mate, that guy's fucking stupid.
I think that's bullshit.
8 trades, 8 losses, and I'm down 8%.
What? What bet?
Over 1,000 applications, the expectations are high from these selected individuals.
Yeah, I want the opportunity badly. I'm going to go at it hard, I'm going to hit it hard, do you know what I mean?
He seems like he's a really good trader. I wouldn't tell him all my secrets.
The pressure is on, and any mistake could cost the contestants their place on the show.
I wasn't following the rules on the 15 minutes. I broke the rules.
I'm getting quite close to my stop loss.
I deserve to go home.
I've been dragged through the mud today, unfortunately.
I'm going to end it today, I think, for you. I think you've done enough.
Along the way, they will be tested both mentally and physically.
That was shocking a bit.
You're gonna suffer bad.